In this video, I'll show you how you can buy Ripple or XRP on Binance instantly. So we're going to be using Binance because you can buy instantly and it's one of the biggest exchanges out there. So I'll leave a link to Binance in the description below. Just go ahead and click on that and it will take you to this page here. Now what you need to do, if you don't already have an account, you can go and register. It will be up here in the top right hand corner. Go ahead and register. It will take you 30 seconds to create your account. Now once you've made your account and you've logged in, you'll be taken to a page which looks something like this. Now the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your profile icon here. You then want to go to identification. And here what you need to do is you need to go and verify your account. So verify your address and your ID. Now this is important because without doing this, you won't be able to buy much crypto or sell it. You can see my account is fully verified. All we need to do is enter in like a government ID, your passport or something along those lines, so they can go and verify that you are who you say you are. After you've done that, go to buy crypto in the top left hand corner and you can buy with bank or credit card. Now if you want to buy with bank, there are 0 fees, but the deposit is going to take 3 days. So if you want to buy instantly right now, you are going to pay some fees, but you can buy with your credit or debit card. And that's what I'm going to show you how you can do in this video. So after you've done that, it will then redirect you to a new window. And then in this window, you can see you can buy crypto. Now, first what you need to do, if you haven't already added a debit or credit card, you can go and add one down here. You can see mine is already being added. But what you want to do is you want to go to coin and just type in XRP. And XRP is here, so you can just go and buy XRP. Then go and enter in the amount you want to buy, so £15, and then you just go to buy XRP. Then it's going to tell you the price you're buying it for, how much in fees you're going to buy, or how much in fees you're going to spend, and so on. So you can see 31 pence, we're buying £15, and we're going to get 14.3 XRP. After you're happy with that, you can then confirm that order, and your XRP will be in your wallet. Now your wallet, you can get to that by going to wallet, fiat and spot. And then that's going to load up your wallets here and it's going to show you all of the different cryptos that you've currently bought. So you can see here I've got different cryptos and XRP will appear. And that's how you can buy XRP on Binance. I hope that video did help you out.